Omaha Bricks Prime Building Instructions. Omaha Bricks is the world's largest marketplace for custom World War I, World War II, Cold War, and other military building instructions made with Lego bricks. Available only at omahabricks.com.
Hi, welcome in this new video. If you would like to play Micro Brick Battle, um, you can just do it on your tabletop, on your dinner table, on whatever surface ever. If it's just like big enough to make a nice little map, you could put like a carton of milk on it, some teacups and everything else. Like just put it on for some obstacles, and you have your game going. But how cool is it if you have Lego scenery to put on your tabletop and fight your battles around those, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 scenery things you can build so you can dress up your tabletop wargaming a little bit extra with Lego. We have a house, we have 2 types of trees, and a little town car. It's a bit, yeah, focus on World War II Micro Big Battle. So probably using that, but if you like to use the more modern tanks that I recently uploaded, then go ahead and you can use it by that as well. No problem. Okay. Um, uh, like I said, 4 different types of scenery. I will first put up a parts list, search for your parts, pause the video, whatever, and then start building with step-by-step instruction. When the instructions are done, you will get a new one, and still every time again you will get a parts list and then the step-by-step tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you used the parts for your of the models for your tabletop wargaming, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you subscribe, you get notification by every video I post, and of course leave a comment and a like. That would be awesome. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.